Kinong School Teachers Association hatau namar Bamen Yeler Misia hatau ke Sarkar India kanyuben ya kane ke Sarkar Jala bakim ler kim minister balabon than utau bo fil kat noteli ki kelas bakam aisho yang tak bisa katulok kadai ke hok jom Kinong bak ni gentu ya ke Sarkar nak lihat ke SPC basoba pelan no marba ya katulok di jongki ngoba ban sim step ban penkiu no ya katulok jom barok Kinong mau boleh kanti sensar jom kali India kong equal pay for equal work kajo kasal lepas kajo kena boleh ya pera ke cingsiu hatau dan lah kejong kasal lepas SSA ro habikai kajo kasal lepas ad hoc ro kajo kasal lepas deficit ro kajo kasal lepas private ro kajo kasal lepas government ro kajo kasal lepas boleh ya pera ke cingsiu ni kerpat ya kaying kasari badan burung kebadan banyada ya ki hok ki trairi ban ki badan banyada ya ka hok jong Kinong chong chnong jong kali India bako Meghalaya High Court badan burung wadam up ya Kinong jongi ki bapli bahadu bakin da file case so Hashim Somotono ya kan case. I would like to request the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, please don't wait for teachers to file a petition before you advocate. Kindly take this matter Somoto immediately. You are the last hope of the democracy. We humbly request the judiciary organ of the state to rescue the citizen of Meghalaya whose right has been violated for 5 long months.
If you are there enough, I ask the President of the Meghalaya SSA School Association today I announce an open debate between me and you. Today I announce an open debate between me and the Honorable Education Minister so that all the SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya and the citizens of Meghalaya will know what is the fact. In his statement, he is talking about the facts. So this is the facts. We have all the facts and figure with us. So why he is trying to mislead the teachers, in particular and in general, why he is trying to mislead the citizens of Meghalaya. Today I think you agree with me. Honorable Education Minister Lakman Rembui is not fit to hold the portfolio of Education Department. Please raise your hands. Are you agree on that? Yes! Okay, today I announce after 2 weeks, if the Honorable Chief Minister did not take away the portfolio of Education Department from Sir Lakman Rembui, number 2, if the state government did not fulfill all our 3 demands, then by the end, then after 2 weeks we will file a case in the Meghalaya High Court related our demands of point number 1.